The 2026 Volvo XC60 is a fresh take on one of Volvo's most popular models, blending Scandinavian design with modern-day innovation. At first glance, the exterior showcases the company's signature minimalist style with refined sharpness. It's not just about sleek looks, the aerodynamics have been improved, which means better efficiency on the road. The front fascia features Volvo's updated Thor's Hammer LED headlights, giving the car a bold yet elegant appearance. The grille has been slightly revised, now with a more closed-off design, hinting at the hybrid or electric nature of the powertrain. The side profile is clean and sculpted, with smooth lines flowing from front to rear. The roofline gently slopes towards the back, giving the SUV a sportier stance. The rear end is just as modern, with new tail lamp designs that stretch vertically and a cleaner bumper. Alloy wheels with multiple design options, including some bold black and silver finishes, complete the premium look. It's clear that Volvo wanted to keep things simple but striking, which they've successfully achieved. Moving inside, the 2026 XC60 continues to impress with a beautifully designed interior. The cabin is spacious, luxurious, and packed with high-quality materials. Volvo's dedication to sustainability is evident in the use of recycled materials, without compromising on feel or comfort. The dashboard is sleek, dominated by a large vertical touchscreen that handles most of the vehicle's functions. The new Google-based infotainment system is fast and user-friendly, providing seamless access to maps, voice control, and apps. Behind the steering wheel is a fully digital instrument cluster that displays navigation, speed, and other vital information clearly. Comfort has always been a Volvo trademark, and the XC60 is no different. The seats are supportive and plush, with leather and eco-friendly material options available. Both front and rear passengers get ample legroom, and the panoramic sunroof adds to the feeling of openness. Small details like ambient lighting, soft touch panels, and metallic trim make the interior feel truly upscale. Storage space is generous, with a decent-sized boot and various compartments throughout the cabin. Performance-wise, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is designed for both efficiency and comfort. Depending on the variant, it may come with a mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or even a fully electric powertrain. The plug-in hybrid version offers a perfect balance of electric driving and fuel-powered performance. The car provides smooth acceleration, thanks to the instant torque from the electric motor. Handling is stable and refined, ideal for city drives as well as highway cruising. The steering is light yet accurate, and the suspension does a great job of absorbing bumps and potholes. Volvo has also added new driving modes to allow drivers to adjust the feel of the car, from eco to dynamic. Noise insulation is excellent, with minimal wind or road noise inside the cabin. The XC60 also comes equipped with Volvo's Pilot Assist semi-autonomous driving technology, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features make it one of the safest SUVs in its class, upholding Volvo's strong safety legacy. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Volvo XC60 sits in the premium compact SUV category. While the exact pricing may vary by market, the base model is expected to start around $48,000, with the higher-end plug-in hybrid or electric versions reaching up to $65,000 or more. Though it's on the higher side, the value lies in the brand's reputation for safety, luxury, and modern design. Buyers also benefit from low running costs in the hybrid and electric variants, along with possible government incentives depending on location. Volvo also offers an extensive warranty and service package, which adds more peace of mind for owners. In summary, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is a well-rounded small SUV that perfectly combines style, safety, technology, and sustainability. It stays true to Volvo's design philosophy while pushing boundaries with its modern updates. Whether you're a family looking for a safe and comfortable ride or an urban driver wanting something stylish and eco-friendly, the XC60 checks nearly every box. Volvo has once again proven that you don't need to be loud to be noticed. This SUV speaks volumes through its quiet confidence and thoughtful engineering.